Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung anong oras niyo man ito mapanood ng video. Let me just walk you through the application process. So for now, we are currently looking for virtual mates and we have a lot of opening positions. But for now, let me just walk you through paano ba mag-apply sa virtual teammates. So let me just share my screen. So this is the website. So go to virtualteammate.com and click apply. So for now, we have 20 jobs currently open. So just choose which role is best fit for you. Wag po kayong mag-apply kung ang experience niyo lang is sales, customer service, tapos mag-apply kayo as medical administrative support. So hindi siya best fit. And that will definitely the reason na ma-reject yung application niyo. So for me, I'll be applying medical administrative support kasi may experience ako as a medical virtual assistant for more than years now. So piliin niyo lang, yes, I want to be a VT. So ito yung mga equipments na kailangan yung i-check na if meron na kayo, then you will proceed with your application. Ayan, yes lang. Dito. Make sure guys ha na yes lahat kasi pag no, automatic rejection ang matatanggap niya sa email. So again, I am a Filipino residing in the Philippines. Ayan, let's see just for example, um this one and then resume. Sa resume guys, please do follow this. We have a standard template as much as possible, dapat guide na yan. So, eto yung template namin for virtual teammate. So, just click on that and then edit your name, your profile. Make sure guys, eto dito ha, dapat is na profile picture niyo yan. I mean, professional, hindi yung naka-wonky na picture. Anything like that. So again, upload that one here. And then for the self-introduction, make sure to upload a minimum of 60 seconds, maximum of at least 90 seconds. So upload your intro video. Make sure to answer. Again, follow the guide. Start with a quick self-introduction, share your name, background, and experience. Then make sure to answer the question, what tools and strategies do you use to ensure accuracy and efficiency in managing patient records, appointments, and communications in a medical administrative role? Ayan, so dapat masagot niyo yan in that span of your video. So dito naman, who referred you to virtual teammate? Siyempre, hanapin niyo yung pangalan ko, Marijoy Adolfo, and then write my name again here, and then input your information, just sample, and then upload your CV or resume, same lang yan, and then submit your application na. So, ayun lang. And then once na makapag-submit na ng application, dito na yung matatanggap niyo yan na email. So, ayan. So, ito yung unang email na matatanggap niyo, guys. So, we have received your application, ganyan. And then, once na ma-review na nila, so wait nyo lang if pass or fail. So, for now, next for me is natanggap tayo. So, congratulatory email ang matatanggap natin. Next is the assessment. Assessment stage na. So, once na nandito na kayo, syempre, click nyo lang tong three um, assessment links. So, IQ test, ayan. So, sa IQ test, guys, again, let me just share. Sa IQ test, eto na yun. Wala na kayong iba pang hahanaping link. So, IQ test, ganito. Sagutan nyo lang up to 10. And follow the guide. Again, sa guide, guys, meron ditong guide. Ayan. Click nyo lang yung link. Ito. So, click nyo lang yan. So, sa guide, guys, IQ test is dapat make sure na naka-PDF. So, follow nyo lang to guys. Andito na yan lahat. Make sure to follow the guide para hindi kayo ma-reject. Kasi dito nagsa-start yung part of the assessment is yung kung paano kayo magbasa talaga and keen to details as to with regards to this instruction. So make sure lang na to check the passing score. So for FSET, that's 80 over 100. For the IQ, that's 7 out of 10. And then for the personality test, wala naman niyang pass or fail since that's your own discretion. So just follow that guide and then reply to this email. Again, just reply to this email the result. So just that one and then ayun na. So next na matatanggap nyo is once na approve na or pasado yung assessment nyo is to book an interview schedule. So, ito yung schedule natin. And then, just simply follow and check if mayroon kayong kailangang sagutin or replyan. So, ito, click here to book your interview schedule. Ayan, yung calendar link natin. So, for now, availability, the earliest would be tomorrow. That's April 30. So, ayan. And then, please reply. Again, naka-highlight yan, guys, to confirm your attendance then. Ayun. So, replyan nyo lang yan. And then, after that, will definitely um, be once na nakapasa kayo sa interview, you will be moving forward to the completion or completion of your requirements. So first is the branded resume. Though naka-create na kayo ng branded resume sa first part, which is what I've mentioned na ito na link. But in this case, you will be given guides na kung ano yung mga need na i-edit sa resume nyo. And for the intro video, meron din again guide dito. Just click lang ng guide para may susundan kayong information. So, again, ito yung guide. Pakibasa na lang hanggang sa baba. And then for the IT check, meron tayong Skype community dyan. And they're available to check your equipment from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. So again, guys, complete this one up to 3 business days. Pag lumampas na yan, makakatanggap na naman kayo ng rejection. So sayang naman yung pinagpaguran nyo. Andito na kayo to make sure to check. Again, the email, guys, make sure to double check your spam folder. Itong spam folder na to. Kasi minsan, kahit na naka-receive na tayo sa inbox, may mga emails pa din na matatanggap natin sa spam folder. So, ayun lang. So, hopefully, we'll see you here inside Virtual Teammates and good luck with your application. Just ask below if may mga questions kayo para masagutan natin. Thank you, everyone, and have a great one. Bye-bye!